AICC Media Coordinators Bobita Sharma, addressing the media at Congress Bhavan, Shillong today, said that Meghalaya Congress Party this time will fight the state election with a perfect blend of purpose-driven youths and experienced stalwarts. She said there are many new faces with new thoughts, ideas and perspectives. The party also have a new team of dynamic, dedicated, committed people. They are not only academically and socially educated but also grounded, rooted and connected to the grassroots. She also said that we will see more women leaders in the fray from the Congress party this time as well.
In our very, very varied country, and in Meghalaya too, you have seen that Congress has always given importance to new faces, new legacy, new leadership, and encouraged the youth to come out. In this time, in the Meghalaya elections, you will see very prospective new faces, young faces who are educated, socially committed in our candidature for the state elections. You may also see a lot of women candidates, right, in the elections.